How to turn on or turn off sync calendar to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down, then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the CO button. Then we scroll down and tap on iCloud Calendar. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Now when you switch it off, it said that do you want to keep the data on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. So here it says, what would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud calendars on your iPhone? So here I can choose to keep on my iPhone. And here you can tap on the toggle button to switch it back on, and then tap on merge. And here it says organize your time with iCloud calendar. It's always up to date on any device and on the web. And that's it. After you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.